For today's video, we are going to set up an email routine to go off when an alert has been triggered. First thing we'll do is come down to routines. We will come up here and create a new routine. We will name the routine. We're not going to have to put an extension to it or anything, so this will just trigger when the alert is triggered. We do need to enable the routine. Then we can hit save. Now we'll come down to our new routine. We'll go into our triggers, what will set off our routine. We will add a trigger. You can name it if you wish. Make sure it's enabled. The type of trigger is going to be a contact closed. So we'll come down to input contact closed. There is my contact controller, IO controller. I know that my contact to be triggered is 7. We'll hit save. I'll come to actions. What it does once it's triggered, create a new action. I can name it if I wish, make sure it's enabled. Then I will select, I want it to email. Now I can use either my email configuration, so I've already set that up to have it go out to specific emails. I'm going to leave it on that. Give it a subject. Then write in the text. Come down, hit save. I have created my emailing event, or also known as a routine. And come back. Now all I need to do is test my routine. Thank you.